I used ChatGPT and Perplexity to get me a good LinkedIn description, and from where the recruiters could find me very easily. I updated my resume using ChatGPT. I using Aditya GPT and B10x GPT. I logged into that account, looked up for the profile of the interviewer also, and then I asked ChatGPT what kind of questions such experienced people can ask in the interview. And using all those things, it was a complete packaged thing. And Gamma, Udemy, GPT, Perplexity, all those things helped me in getting the new job. And from my previous job, it was more than a 50% salary hike. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I have Mr. Hitesh with me, and he's here to share his experience on the course. So, where are you from? And let us know something about yourself.
So hi Antriksh. So I'm basically from Kolkata, and I have been working since the last 10 plus years in Bangalore. So I started my career as an instructional designer, which is also a learning developer or an e-learning developer in the common terms, because many of the people don't know this actual term. Even I heard it for the first time when I joined the industry. So 10 plus years working now, and right now I'm in Bangalore and currently working in Austria.
And you have the same role there?
Yeah, I have the same role, learning solutions developer.
Okay, perfect. So, of course, as we know, right, you have been a part of our mastery program. But like, what made you join the workshop in the first place? You would have purchased the base workshop first, right? What made
Yeah.
you, how did you come through that?
Okay, so it was a couple of reasons. So the first thing was that I was always intrigued since the advent of AI in the 2022, when ChatGPT and OpenAI started becoming a bit famous. So I was always up for the fact that I need to learn something at least, so that it can help me for the next 10 12 years in my career. So obviously when I saw the Instagram ads, and I'm very pretty much active on Instagram and LinkedIn. So on both the places I saw the ads. So since this is much more Indian, I didn't trust the other foreign courses and all, because they pitch too high, and then you have to make the payment in dollars and all those stuff you have to go through, and that's not very trustworthy. So when I saw the Indian faces and IIT alumni doing this, so I got a bit intrigued to at least join the master class, because it comes at a very low cost, so it's nothing. So I just wanted to join it and see at least what is the offering, or what all I can learn from it. So then I joined the class, and then in the master class I picked up a lot of things, because I was very much active in the class. So I picked up a lot of things. So then I followed the master class, and then I took up the course as well, because I found value in it. I have seen all the different kinds of certifications and all that people do that cost over 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees. Even in my own field, I have seen people going through such courses, such expensive things. And this workshop was hardly 5 to 6K per month, if you see in that payment structure. So that doesn't even matter if you are upskilling yourself for the next 10 years. So it was one of the best options that I found. And on top of it, about the about the achievement or the early achievers. So when I attended the master class and started applying a few things, I'll come to those few things what I applied. So I started applying, and when I attended your class, the first two sessions, so I understood some tips and tricks and some hacks. So I in the instructional design field, I'll tell you, portfolio is very crucial. We have to showcase our portfolio. So to upgrade that portfolio, I used one of the suggestions, that Gamma.ai app. I never knew about. So I used that, and I made certain PPTs, and I used my own software, Storyline and all, to and also Canva Pro. So I created a very beautiful portfolio, and also then I had a couple of LinkedIn features which my profile was lacking. So I went back to LinkedIn and I upgraded my profile. I changed all the things which were required. I used ChatGPT and Perplexity to get me a good LinkedIn description, and from where the recruiters could find me very easily. And then I also used Udemy.ai for that interview. I was using a lot of repetitive words, so I used it for the speech training. I never knew about Udemy AI, so I used it for the speech training. So I used a mix of things. I updated my resume using ChatGPT. I using Aditya GPT and B10x GPT. I logged into that account, So in the master class, it was shown how to upgrade your resume according to the job descriptions. So I used that technique and I upgraded my resume according to what all job descriptions I was applying to, because everywhere there's a different demand. So that's how the interview process happened, and I looked up for the profile of the interviewer also, and then I asked ChatGPT what kind of questions such experienced people can ask in the interview, and it gave me a couple of really interesting questions and answers and all the scenarios that can happen, and exactly almost 80% connected with that. So it was a very big plus, and using all those things, it was a complete packaged thing, and Gamma, Udemy, GPT, Perplexity, all those things helped me in getting the new job. And from my previous job, it was more than a 50% salary hike. So that 50%, the number looks small if you consider if a basic level engineer is there, but a 10 plus year experienced person talking about a 50% plus hike, that is somewhat difficult to achieve in the current market standing, especially in profiles like instructional designer or a learning developer. So yeah, I'm really thankful. I'm still undergoing the course. I'm still learning a lot of things every week. My weekends are so beautiful in the evenings, just because I look forward to learning something new each and every week. And that has been my experience, and I'm really thankful, and I really look forward towards the sessions.
That's fantastic. So you're saying that due to the mix and match of everything that you've applied, you've learned, that you were actually able to crack a job, a new, brand new job, and that too with a 50% plus salary hike. And again, as you mentioned, with 10 plus years of experience. So of course, like without going into the nitty gritty, when so what sir is basically saying, when the base becomes big, it's really difficult to scale on it. At the mass 50% level that he has. So that's fantastic. We're very happy, because that has been the aim, right? Because a lot of hard work and a lot of research goes into it, and to keep all the tools updated and all of that. So fantastic, very happy to hear that. So just so a suggestion from your side, like we'd want a suggestion from your side if there is any feedback that you'd want to give about the whole program.
About the whole program, I mean, the continuity is really great. I mean, there are some things that I don't use actively, like the Excel. The last 3 to 4 sessions were on Excel, so I don't use it very regularly. It's interesting to learn, but yes, I almost sometimes it's not 100% attention there, because obviously I'm not using it. Like in a thing like PPT, there is 102% attention because I'm regularly using those kind of things. So yeah, for every, because we are from all different backgrounds, every batch that you guys make is from diverse backgrounds. So people may or may not be using it actively, and then again on weekends there's a temptation that okay, in the evening whether I should attend the class live, or whether I should watch it in the recording or something like that, since that flexibility is there. So I really love that flexibility, because sometimes it may happen that you need to have some other commitment, you need to go out somewhere or you need to attend something, and then again coming back on a Monday fresh, like today also I attended one of the session, I was watching it again. So to come back and practice that recordings, it's really great. Only thing is that the pace might be a little difficult for people. Some sessions are a little fast enough because some of the trainers are pretty fast. Honestly speaking, one on one, I love your pace, and I love both Aditya sir's pace. It's very good, because it's easy for experienced professional to go at that pace. But if the session is very slow or very then the tendency is there that person becomes drowsy or loses interest or something like that. On the other hand, there are other set of learners who want it to be very slow. So to balance that out, so that is all up to you guys. I
Right.
find it pretty pretty good. So
Fantastic. I mean,
yeah.
yeah, of course. Of course, like that is a very valid point, as you've rightly mentioned, right? Not only from diverse uh, technical backgrounds, but people are there from backgrounds all over the place. So yeah, everything has to be looked into. And of course,
Yeah.
the speed button maybe helps. Maybe we can drill it down to 0.25 every 25, so that people can still rake up to their pace. But okay, thank you so much, Hitesh. It was lovely talking to you, and we're very happy for the job that you've just cracked, and hopefully you keep on achieving success after success, and may you have more and more 50+% salary hikes to come in the future. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Same here, Antrish. Great talking
Thank
to you.
you.